If you hate technology, this is going to be your favorite technology video ever, because today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own Echowin AI agent in under 2 minutes. Yes, this is a real thing that you can do. No, it does not require any special plugins or software or anything else. It literally is as easy as clicking a few buttons and copying and pasting some links. By the way, congratulations on becoming an engineer, as long as you can copy and paste a URL, because that's all that you have to be good at in order to basically make Echowin work. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to our portal. And then once we're there, we're going to go over to Frank. We're just going to make another agent, right? Create an agent. This is AI Command Central on Echowin. So now we go over here. I think we need a third Frank, so we're going to name this bot Frank as well. And we're going to say that this is Frank's Hot Dogs Receptionist. You can see how many takes I've done of this. Anyway, I'm going to go down to create AI agent. We just skipped a bunch of steps, but again, it doesn't matter because you don't have to be good at almost anything to make this work. Yep, it can do 30 languages, all that stuff. Very cool. While it's doing that, we're going to go over here to Frank's Hot Dogs. This is not sponsored, again, and I am not the owner of Frank's Hot Dogs. I just want to make that very clear. Okay, we go back over here. Congrats. Okay, our agent has been made. First thing we're going to do is go over to knowledge base on our left-hand side. This is where Echowin does a vast majority of the legwork so that you don't have to. We're going to go to click add on web pages. See, there's 3 different types of knowledge we use. That's in another video, by the way. We're going to copy and paste our URL, and we'll name this Frank's Hot Dogs website. Again, you can see how many takes I've done because they're all showing up as pop-ups. Okay, while that's getting made, we're going to go over to instructions. It's going to scan your website and basically identify all the critical information it needs to pull. We don't need appointment scheduling because this is a hot dog stand, not a dentist's office. We probably also don't need transfer calls because this is a hot dog stand, not a dentist's office. Oh, by the way, you want to send text messages to the person if there's like complicated details about location or something else. You go over here to this right-hand side, click on send text messages to caller. It'll send it to the phone number they called from. You click add. That's it. That's all that you had to do. Now it's going to send a text message to them if it needs to. Isn't that awesome? That's all you had to do. Okay. Now we're going to click save to be sure that that tool is saved. And now we're going to go to testing. Okay. I'm going to start a session.
Thank you for calling SLB.
I forgot
I'm
to change
Frank.
the title, but whatever it is. Anyway, yeah, how much does it cost for a hot dog with ketchup?
A hot dog with ketchup, like the classic standard, costs $4.69. Would you like details on other menu items or specials?
Is there any way that you would be able to text that information to me?
Sure, I can do that.
See, normally it would just identify the phone number and automatically do it. We're on a website, so it can't do that, but you can see how it works. So it's very straightforward. Congratulations, by the way, on finishing 4 years of engineering college in the space of about a 3-minute YouTube video. All right, bye.